Really, it is a big problem today. I know so many examples. Parents say the children, they're spoiled, or maybe some children, the parents pass away, and then now they're looking for someone to take care of the children, and they say these children, no one can take care of them because when their parents were alive, they didn't bring them up well. You are wrong. It mustn't be the case. That mustn't be the case. I know of a case like this which is happening right now. The children are just everywhere, and anywhere they go to, the people say, we can't hold these children. We can't take care of them because these children are spoiled children. When the mom was alive, she didn't do what she was supposed to do. Now the children are spoiled. We can't accept them. Subhanallah. Subhanallah. And if you look really deeply into the case, it doesn't really mean the children are the ones who are faulty. Even the people who are saying they can't accept them, perhaps they are even worse than the children.